This next song, I was mentored by great Auntie Edith Kanakaole, and she wrote a song about different kinds of seaweed called Kahumoku Ukikai that I actually recorded with her way back in the late 70s. And in honor of that, I wrote her. She used to share so much knowledge about the Aina, about the taro. So her favorite taros were these varieties. One called Oahia Pele. In the olden days, it's called the smoke of Pele. It was used as ho'okupu, or gift to the volcano, goddess of the. We would take the Oahia Pele kalo and the Oahia Pele, the smoke of Pele sugar cane. We also have Oahia Pele hava, and wrap it in Oahia Pele tea leaf. And that was our gift every time we went up to the volcano. And somebody had made up this other thing that throw bottles of gin. I don't know who did, but Tutu Pele must be happy about that too. Yeah, but if you go down to the bottom of the Halimoamo, you see mountains of bottles of gin. But as some wines, we don't actually throw it into the volcano. We build what we call ahu, and we leave it there like a shrine. And maybe somebody who's hungry might come by, and they got some Oahia Pele taro, some sugar cane and some hava to chew on. So I don't know. So, anyway, here's a song I wrote for Auntie Edith about her favorite taro. I don't know how I got over that. It's from the graveyard. Then she had another variety she called api'i. It's also called moana in different areas. This is what she made to make kulolo, and I helped her and Uncle Luca make kulolo many times for fundraisers. I'm not kidding. We made like 10,000 pounds of kulolo for fundraisers. We raised like $25,000 for all kinds of stuff. It was crazy. Just grading this kulolo, the taro. Then she had another one called elipaio. The real Hawaiian word is called elipaio. Kukai or elipaio, because when the elipaio bird was flying over, it was and took a crap. You guys know, you guys see all the seagulls over here. You gotta watch it, right? Yeah, so that's a variety. It's kind of variegated. Then there's another variety called kai. Now that variety is really good for making good solid poi, as long as the taro is hot. As soon as it cools off, it's like you can play baseball with it. You can whack it. And in fact, if you're in the pond, if you go to Punda, you might hit yourself in the head with a So it's called kai. And of course, this is the taro, another variety, lehua. And lehua is because it's pink or red, the poi. And it's the poi dali. Then her another favorite was this one variety called manaulu, because it's yellow, the color of breadfruit. Anyway, a song I wrote for her with my great friend Kalani Maniki called No'ono Kaina. Ai e noa no ke kuhi kuhi o na kalona o no kaina I vitua mo no kalaui Iwa uahia pe o ke halo uahi o kanu ibi Pi I mai ano ka pi ano ke kulolo Yano I hoi ka ele pai no ka ala ke ala kai Iwai mani ko ano kai ka ona loa o kai halakua Hale ua ave I kanani no nanani I ho ulumana the delicacies of the land, the ono ka Aina. Thank you.